Asakusa. I'm already here in Asakusa. Ito po yung very famous na Kaminari Moon. Ito siya guys, very historical and there's a famous temple inside there. So, I really want to go to Hotel first because I want to get my things first before I have to do vlog. Because if pumasok tayo dyan guys, it's so ito, talagang medyo konti na yung mga tourists na yun because of the COVID, I think. So guys, so hirap kasi pag may dalang gamit. But if you see guys, we go inside. I just want you to show guys. Tingnan niyo guys. Diba? My goodness. So beautiful. Talagang asin talaga. Tokyo kasi guys is so still. A lot of people here. Kaya talaga asin ganda. Wala as in super ingat talaga. Alam, mag-picture sa akin. Ako lang mag-isa eh. At least maganda at least may kasama. Diba? Yeah. I will do this vlog guys in YouTube. And I will continue later. I have to take a rest first in the hotel. I'm so hungry. So I'll be back later. Bye! Ayan guys. Asakusa City Tokyo guys. That's we call that as Kaminari Mon Gate in Asakusa. That's the city of Asakusa. Not so much people today. I want to do a vlog later, maybe if I have to go to Kosuga. But then, ayan, may gamit kasi ako guys. I can't really, anyway guys, I'll show you the place first. So guys, ito yung gate, and beside is the famous mga shops, and sa pinaka-loob niya guys, may mga yung famous na temple dito. And I will get back there later guys because I really don't know yung gamit ko. Ayan. Marami pa rin tao talaga guys. So, hindi rin may masa kasi is sa famous. So, there's a lot of temples. Guys, dito ako sa labas. Diyan po ako naka-check-in. Doon ako sa So, ang ano ko guys, pumunta ko guys sa famous shrine dito. Vlog ko rin siya because I don't have much time. I will check out by before 12 o'clock. I have to check out at hotel. Let's go guys. So, Shinkoji, temple yata? Lapit-lapit na tayo sa so, ito na naman. Wala kang napunta. Nakaka-busy ako kasi yung dito ba yung spice. It's so beautiful guys. Hindi ko masasawa. And the best part of you guys want yung tower guys yung spice. Look at this. Wow. I like the funny styles. It's a very famous temple here in Asakusa City. Amazing guys, amazing. Diyan guys, guys yung mga natuturo sa mga board pieces para sila guys. Ayun, the very famous guys, kanina ng day. Diba? Ayan guys, I need to start my record kasi hindi na-record yung kanina, yung apps na kasi. So, I'm here guys sa very famous temple in Asakusa. Editing ko na lang. Napakaraming pumupunta dito guys. Especially pag may mga ceremony, pagkakasal, or pag ganyan makikita nyo guys, yung mga ganyang suot nila. Yung kung sa ating debut, sila naman 20 years old na dito sa Japan. Dito sila mag-ano ng parang ceremony. So, it's very famous. So, inulit ko na rin. Ganda. Tapos yan guys, kung makikita nyo guys, siguro yung parang mga mga lucky, parang mga sa ating Virgo, sa new code. Ang ganda nito. First 2 years. So there's something new again. Opening ko guys. There's something new. Para if you can see guys, yung pampaswerte ba sa atin? Amulet, mga ganun. If you buy that, certain ka sa business mo, about love, everything. If you believe. If you believe. Diba? So ito naman guys, bago sila pumasok sa bibili sila ng tapos prepare. Tapos yung niya. Parang incense sa akin. Basta incense. Yung blessing po. Ganun yun. Super love it. So cold. Ayan. Sinicheck nila yung Ayan, pagpapasok sa loob. Hindi na ako papasok sa loob guys. Umiwas ako sobrang yung mga crowded. Nangangalay na guys yung kamay ko. It was so cold. Wala na akong time guys. Gusto kong punta yung friends ko dito for surprise. At I'm losing time. I'm not sure kung pupunta ako or not. May regalo sana. Super guys. Diba I have a vlog before na kaya malaki parang siya. Pero talaga mas malaki ito compared to this. And Tokyo kasi siya. Pero talagang because of sasakat niya yung talagang pumunta yung tourist. Lalo nang sa Sky. So syempre medyo kabarin yung business nila kasi bigil mo nila. Yan. Lakad-lakad tayo guys. Ito naman pakita ko guys. They wash their hands. Dragon. May blessing kasi yan. May blessing. Blessing ko po. Sana po good health. And sa ating mga kids, good health and condition, and sa ating mga friends, good binding, and you feel successful more. Hindi ko alam na sino siya guys. Sorry. I need to start na record kasi hindi na-record yung kanina. May apps na yun kasi. So, I'm here guys sa very famous temple here in Asakusa. Ayan guys. Ulitin ko na lang. Napakaraming pumupunta dito guys. Especially pag may mga ceremony, pagkakasal, or pag ganyan makikita nyo guys, yung mga ganyan suit nila. Yung kung sa ating debut, sila naman 20 years old ako dito sa Japan. Dito sila mag-ano ng parang ceremony. So, it's very famous. Ang ganda. Super. Inulit ko na lang. Ganda. Tapos yan guys, kung makikita nyo guys sa gilid, yung parang mga mga lucky, parang itong mga sa ating Virgo, tapos Newport Beach. Ang ganda niya. Yan, fresh 20 years ang ceremony. Yan. Yan is I think Saudi guys. Kahit ang mga guy ko din hindi you can't read, so there's something meaning of that. Pagkarin ko guys, there's some meaning. Yung para if you can see guys, yung pampaswerte ba sa atin? Amulet, mga ganun. If you buy that, certain ka sa business mo, about job, everything, if you believe. Diba? So, ito naman guys, bago sila pumasok dyan sa bibili sila ng ganun. Tapos, yan, mag-prayer. Tapos yung amoy niya. Parang incense sa akin. Diba sa incense ito. Yung blessing from God. Ganun yun. Ayan, super lamig. So cold. Ayan. Ayan, sinecheck nila yung ayan, pagpapasok sa loob. Hindi na ako papasok sa loob guys. Marami umiiwas ako sobrang yung mga crowded. So, nangangalay na guys yung kamay ko. It's so cold. Ito naman sa back. Yung skyscrapers. Wala na akong time guys. Gustong punta yung friends ko dito for surprise. But I'm losing time. So, I'm not sure kung pupunta ko or not. May regalo sana ako. Ayan. Super guys. Diba I have a vlog before na kaya manaki parang ba na siya. Pero ito talaga mas malaki yung very famous. And Tokyo kasi siya, diba? Pero talagang because of sasakit na yun. Talagang kumunti yung tourist. Lalo na sa sky. So, syempre medyo kabalo yung business nila. Kasi bilhin yun Yan. Makalakad tayo guys. Ito naman pakita ko guys. They wash their hands. Dragon. May blessing kasi yan. May blessing. Blessing ko po. Sana po good health. And sa ating mga kids. Good health and condition. And sa ating mga friends, good binding. And we keep successful more. Ayan guys. Hindi ko alam kung sino siya guys. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching, especially for the Philip Players to Ariana Jayneko, Unofficial, Charlie Tubato, Eric Ibarra, Inday Dario, Jayneko, May Jayneko, Jay Cabal, George Jardilesa, and Trimi, Marvin Lee, Matt Scratch Kuji, Kujak Lapa Bimbo, Rain 60 Fitting Fatin Yamli. Shout out to Paita Pude Marimaki Dong, Don Leon Tagle, and Nico Pachico, our legit friends guys. And thank you for the time for Jayneko and Nico Pachico. Thank you guys, and hope you like my videos. That's very historical and greatest temple in Asakusa, Tokyo, Sensoji Temple guys. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. I love you so much. Bye bye.
Shout out to you, Mini Olmido, and to all my YT members too. And to all of my loved ones in Philippines. And hope you're all doing well. And guys, ingat po tayo always because we know what happening in the world now. So, doble ingat po guys. And good luck and think positive. God bless po. Pahabol shoutout to you, Stanipal Wong Mwah.